a test of the EAS. Provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Okay, well, for some reason, my Sage here did not go off, and my phone was recording that. I don't know what the hell happened, but it didn't get it for some reason. Anyways, I'll figure something out. So yeah, stay tuned for that relay soon, I guess. And as soon as I say one, my Sage and Nick click for an alert. How nice timing! Anyway, I'm along with.
It was an SVR for Georgia, but anyway, I'm set. Anyway, you know what I'm about to do.
Oh no, I don't like this at all.
Alright, let me actually put the title on this real quick.
Oh no.
Anyway, I'm Cabbage Palmer 2466. I am the OG 74107 fucker, and also, I'm about to go on my VC370 after this video for not getting a signal. What?
Where did...
I don't know what I did.
Why? Ah. Anyways. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. Except for you're doing it to me again! Anyway.
Well, probably will.
Oh. Anyway. But yeah, JR is not online because he's at work again. And he can't do the call.
By the way, you guys should get me to the very nice number, and you know what that is.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Anyways, that's pretty much it for now, I guess. I mean, I don't have much to say. Oh, yeah, guys, one thing I have to say is that, yes, I'm getting another HH54 modded, this time in a lime green color, as you guys can see. I'm sending that to Aaron tomorrow, actually, so stay tuned for that. Also, when I'm done recording this, that's right, there's a package right here, and I'm going to unbox it with Savage on call once I'm done with this part. Oh yeah, and also, guys, another update is that I got another white ER 10. It's not here, but that's getting modded as well by Landon, aka Weather Radio Guru. So yeah, guys, that's all for now in terms of my updates.
I would do radio modifications, but also at the same time, I don't have LEDs. So.
Well yeah, I mean, these people already have the LEDs, so they're pretty much set.
Or like LED, I mean, what?
What? Anyways, that's all for now, really. So yeah, guys, with that being said, I'm going to wrap it up here. Oh yeah, and guys, once you're done watching this video, go watch the unboxing video, because that will be out as well. Alright guys, with that being said, we'll see you in the unboxing video, or whatever video. If not, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.